Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Today, we're going to show you how to turn a real seashell into a beautiful silver clay accessory using silicone mold making techniques. It's a fun and meaningful way to transform a little seaside treasure into a piece of silver jewelry. This project is rated 1 star in difficulty, perfect for beginners who are curious and looking for fresh inspiration. Let's get started. First, choose a small shell that has a clear texture and a nice shape. Make sure it's clean and completely dry. Next, we'll make a silicone mold of the shell. Mix equal parts of silicone base and hardener, kneading until the color is even. Once it's ready, gently press the shell into the silicone to capture all the fine details. Let it sit flat and cure for about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the product. Once the silicone has set, carefully remove the shell. Now you've got a flexible mold that holds all the beautiful textures. Take a small piece of silver clay. Roll it into a ball and press it into the mold. Flatten it with your fingers and make sure every corner is filled. You can either let it air dry naturally or bake it at a low temperature to speed things up. Once it's dry enough to handle, if you want to turn it into a pendant, you can drill a small hole using a hand drill. Then, use a file to smooth the edges and sand the back with fine sandpaper. After that, let it fully dry, it's ready for firing. For firing, we used a gas stove. But you can also use a kiln preheated to 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit and fire for about 10 minutes. If using a stove, place a metal mesh over the flame and start on low heat, make sure the flame is even. Use tweezers to place your piece in the hottest area. Heat for about 5 minutes, then switch to medium heat for another 15 to 20 minutes. If the piece is fully dry, there shouldn't be any smoke. If you do see white smoke, move it aside with tweezers and wait for the smoke to clear before continuing. If the piece starts glowing, the temperature is too high, move it away and reduce the flame before continuing. Turn it gently from time to time until it's fully sintered. Let it cool down naturally, or place it in water to cool. Then, use a steel wire brush to clean off the white oxidized layer. And there you have it, a one-of-a-kind silver shell pendant. Just a couple of tips to keep in mind. First, mix silicone putty parts A and B in equal amounts. Once mixed, you'll have around 5 minutes to make the mold before it starts to harden. Always follow the instructions for your specific brand of silicone putty. Second, if the silver clay sticks to the mold, a mold release agent can help. Third, if you want to turn your shell into an earring or pendant, remember to drill a small hole before it fully dries. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more silver clay tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!